Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Vokola Good. If you're new here, you guys are welcome to my channel. Consider subscribing and turn on the notification button to join this family. This channel is super fun. You'll definitely like this channel. So come on, click the subscribe button and join us on this channel. And to my OGs, to my real people, to my coach cheese, thank you again for stopping by and watching this video. Thank you guys for clicking on this video and watching this video. So guys, today's video, I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this video because I have a perfume unboxing, unwrapping, and kind of review that I want to share with you guys. So I think about 2 weeks ago, I found myself in Harrods, and I just I felt like why not? I should probably just buy myself something really pretty, something luxury, something nice, because I felt like I should spoil myself a little bit. I've been really working super hard, and I said just a little gift wouldn't be hard. It won't be much. It's not too much for me to get for myself. So I went to Harrods to get the Louis Vuitton perfume. So today I'm going to be unboxing the perfume with you guys. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this? So without further ado, I don't want to waste time on this video, guys. I don't even want to talk too much because I'm super excited to unbox this with you guys. Let's just jump right into the video. Yeah. So I'm super excited to talk about this perfume and unbox it with you guys. So this is how my perfume came in a shopping bag. Like if you actually order online, it would definitely come in a box. But because I went to the store to, you know, get my Louis Vuitton perfume, it comes in a shopping bag. So here is how it came, and I'm super excited. So this perfume, actually, when I got to the store, I wanted to buy this perfume because they had quite loads of perfume in the store, and I didn't even know which one to take because this is my first ever Louis Vuitton perfume, and I didn't know which one to take. So I actually reached out to one of my friends, that's Funke. Shout out to you, Funke, for helping me out. So I actually sent her a message that I wanted to, buy a perfume from Louis Vuitton, and I do not know which one to take. And then she sent me, I think, a couple of perfume because she is a personal shopper, and I was just asking her if there like a particular Louis Vuitton perfume that people usually like. She shop for people like ladies, and she sent me. I think I can't remember the name, but she sent me that one. So I went. I was in the store, so I tried that out. I really didn't like it, but at the end of the day, after so many testing, trying, at a point my nose almost get like it almost got blind because I couldn't smell most of the perfume because I was just smelling, trying them out. So I got the, let me bring it out so you guys will come with me. This is the Louis Vuitton. I'm not going to pronounce this name wrong, but if I do, guys, help me out in the comment section. What it says is the Attrape Rève. Yeah. But to be honest, if you ask me to pronounce this name according to me, I'm definitely going to be saying Attrape Rève. Attrape Rève, but it's Attrape Rève. I think that's it because I actually went online to check how this name is being pronounced, and it says it's a French word actually. It says it's the meaning was dream catcher, and it's pronounced Attrape Rève. Yeah, I think I got it now. So this is a perfume. It is super cute. It came exactly like this, and in my box comes my um receipt. Yeah, here you go. It comes with my receipt. This is everything, and I'm going to just share all of this with you guys later, how much I got it and everything. So I'm just excited to try this out with you guys. So come on, let's go. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys, and also I think I got a sample. Oh, these are the Amouage one I tried at Harrods when I was at Harrods the other time. These are the one I tried, but I'm going to talk about that one later though. So I comes with a sample because usually when you buy from Louis Vuitton, they give you a sample of two samples of their perfume. This is Rose de la Vente, and this is Rose de la Vente as well. This two sample, yeah. This one, I think this was the one Funke sent to me that I really didn't like the smell. But let's just go ahead and unbox this pretty gorgeous baby, guys. So it exactly like this. I've actually tried it in the store. That was what actually made me purchase this fragrance because I love the smell. So this perfume, let me just show you. How do I go? Oh, I think I have to take this out. Just hold on. I need. Okay. It should be easy, right? Okay. Perfect. Okay. There you go. Oh, I love the packaging, guys. So this first box is out, and this is like a cylinder that you have the perfume, safe and how. Okay. Oh, I was supposed to go this way. Okay, here we go. Whoa, guys, can you see that? Whoa, I love the packaging. My God, this is so gorgeous. Talking about packaging, wow, Louis Vuitton, they are so distinct and unique with their packaging. I love this packaging so much, guys. Check out how they even did. So I'm very sure this must be something that would probably make this bottle like secure the bottle. That's what I actually mean. Like probably when you're traveling, this would be a good way to put your perfume inside and keep it secure in your luggage. So I love this for what it is. I'm super excited. So and I'll take this out as well. So this is the perfume, guys. Look at that gorgeous baby. Oh, let's try out this. So so it's kind of magnetic, so it's very like you don't have to struggle to like screw the cover, like it's just easy. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead now and spray this on myself. Guys, are you ready? Are you guys ready? Ah, I'm smelling like the rich auntie, the London rich auntie, Oh my God. Basically, why I actually went to buy this perfume was because I wanted to buy something for myself, actually. I wanted to buy a gift for myself, and also I was trying to prepare myself for my birthday because I wanted to buy some fragrances that I'm going to be taking using on my birthday time, during my birthday time, and it's still December, like 2 months away. So I just felt like, okay, buy something right now. Maybe my birthday, I'll probably still get myself another perfume. But let's just say this is my first ever Louis Vuitton perfume, and I got like the best one. In my own opinion, the ATTRAPE is just like my best. I love the smell. Wow, this smells so elegant. This is so unique. I mean, it has this really beautiful smell that you would. I call it. I'm gonna call this kind of smell like classic. This is very classic. This is very. This is very. You know. It's just radiating so many. Beautiful, exciting. Very dreamy, unique. Hmm. This smells so good. I love this fragrance so much. Trust me, this is a fragrance you will wear and you will receive tons and tons of compliments. My husband is gonna love this on me. I can't even wait for you to come and check this out. Because this is kind of his perfume. This is so feminine. It's so beautiful. It tells that you are very unique. It tells that you are very sophisticated. This is what this perfume is screaming, and I'm super excited that I bought this perfume. Wow, wow. So let me just quickly go ahead and tell you guys the notes in this perfume. So it says that in the top note, it's got the. Let me show you guys. So I'm telling you what it shows. So here you go. Can you guys see? Okay, perfect. I want you guys to see that. I'll start telling you the note. So it says in the top note, it's got bergamot, ginger, and lynch, and on the add note, it's got peony, cacao, and Turkish rose. While it says in the base note, it's got patchouli and essence. All of these notes made up together form this beautiful bottle. To be very honest, I can definitely smell the Turkish rose in it, but the Turkish rose doesn't even smell like kind of cheap. This smells very expensive. So it's a feminine perfume. If you're a rose kind of fragrance lover, this Attrape Rève, Attrape Rève, Attrape Rève, as a Nigerian girl that is inside me is telling me to be calling it Attrape Rève. But anyways, if you see me pronouncing it in another way, you guys just accept it that way because I can't even help it. Anyways, so I feel like this perfume, it's a perfume that just shows how I'm trying to compare it with one of my perfume that kind of fit in together. I think he wants to fall in the class of Chanel Coco Mademoiselle, but this is kind of higher level to Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. Like it kind of had this distinct upper class level to Coco Mademoiselle. So this perfume is so beautiful, and I'm going to say this perfume. It's a perfume that I would, for me, basically, it's a perfume that I want to wear on holiday, like wear on holiday in a really beautiful and expensive five-star hotel. This, when when you're in a five-star hotel and you have this on, guys, people will just be like, this one does not have problem because you'll be smelling expensive. You'll be smelling like no worries, no problem, like we got no problem. That is how you'll be smelling. And I'm going to actually wear this out on a date. Yes, so like expensive lunch dates. Yes, and I'm definitely going to be wearing these to mostly on vacation. That's what I'm thinking. Like if I just want to show them that let my entrance, let it just call your attention. This is the fragrance I'll be wearing, especially when I want to show them, like, I'm the queen. The queen is here. So this is perfume I'll be wearing, and this is a perfume I would wear to party. All of those Nigerian party that they will say, oh, it's strictly by invitation. If you don't have invitation, don't come. This is the perfume you should definitely wear there, because if you will just look at you and you feel like, these are the guests that we want in our party. So I absolutely love this perfume. So I'm going to talk about the longevity and the projection, because I remember when I tried this before I bought it at the store the other day. I tried it out and I was actually waiting to see how it's going to last on me and how long I'm going to wear it for. So when I got home, I think I went there in the afternoon and I was back home around, because I think I went out as well. So this perfume, with the review and the research that I made, it tends to last you about 10 to 8 hours, which is not bad. But for me, it depends on how you layer your perfume on, or the point, or the spot you apply your perfume. For me, I think I would have issues with that. So this perfume, it's something that I love. It is very dreamy, it is unique, it is superb, very, very classic. It is very, give you that lush and expensive smell that you just be feeling yourself. So I'm going to talk about the price of this fragrance. I remember that because this was an in-store purchase, so I do, yeah, that's why it came with this shopping bag. So it came exactly, this is the receipt from the store. So I bought this small bottle. Who am I calling this small bottle? It is actually, is it 100 mil? Yeah, it's 100 mil. I forgot to tell you guys the size. The size is 100 mil. So this was retail for £215. Can you guys see? This was retail for £215 in Harrods. So yeah, I'm sure you guys must have seen. So this, it's a buy for me. So I'm thinking of buying another one, but I'm not sure the exact one I want to buy. But I think like I'm just going to try to use this like few more time and see how I'm going to love it, and I'm going to see if I will buy another one. So talking about when or the season or the weather I will wear this perfume to, trust me, this is the kind of perfume that I want to be and I want to smell during summertime. I kind of feel like it's not really for winter. It's not a winter smell for me personally. Some people would wear this during any season, but for me, I feel like it is much more of a summer perfume, holiday perfume. So during summertime, it's a perfume that I would definitely wear during daytime and nighttime. it's a perfume that would fit me more, that I would love to smell more during, dry season, not in the warmer season. So, and the colder season, I mean. So that's just it. So I think I'm going to do another review if probably I get another perfume from Louis Vuitton, and I'll let you guys know. I'm trying to make a thumbnail. I'll let you guys know. Anyways, guys, this is all I have in this video. I'm sure if you guys have used any of this Louis Vuitton fragrance, let me know in the comment section. I really want to try another one, maybe probably buy like one or two more and see if I will love it. So let me just know in the comment section if you guys have tried the Attrape Rève, Attrape Rève. If you've tried out, let me know. And until then, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.